Aimed in towards the centre.
That's just playing it safe and simple.
Rummenigge. Luis Suarez. There's the shot! He has done it! Oh, perfectly measured that.
2 added minutes has
Chance for the header! In for the pieces! He has... Now it's Griezmann. Griezmann, shin to shin, bicep to bicep, and he wins out. Pirlo goes steaming forward. Great ball if he can get there. Oh, he's got the shot away! And it's... De Bruyne. Lizarazu. And he's managed to get free. Great chance! Can he get it through? Into the middle. Chance for the header! Goal! And it's Pirlo. Pirlo, the man we've all come to watch. Beckenbauer. Here's Rodri. Some really good ball movement. Oh, good ball! And the finish! It's in! And he's only too grateful to capitalise on the keeper's misfortune.
Look, that's one of the first things you learn, whether you're a striker or not. Just anticipate a goalkeeping parry or spillage.
Messi! It's loose. Oh, it's fallen loose again!
The absorbing. We're actually headed for a potential classic if this carries on. This is insanely good.
Liverpool do lead, but it's quite a game. Half-time, 3... And Messi!
lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright.
Nico Williams, and he's picked out the run. Nico Williams has it in a wide position. Messi touches it back,
Really got it.
Ruben Neves! Oh, that's just stunning!
Well, this is already looking rather ominous.
Taken short. And now they can spring out of defence. Can he get away here? Now it's Messi. Face to face with the... Oh, shooting! Bayer Leverkusen are sitting pretty, 2-0 up.
Well, their manager seems to have them always thinking about the next goal. When's the next goal coming? They're such an entertaining watch.
It's Salah! And it's Messi. And this is Mohamed's... And the finish! And yes, it's...
Nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life
It's been a
holding me
half
back no
throughout
more.
which they have carved through the opposition almost at will, ripping things up big time here.
Some things are
Yeah,
not
I
the
think the first half performance that showed attack being